As you can see, there's our strainer. Takes a little time, but
yeah,
it's better than nothing. Well, at least there's no chunks in there now. It's just murky because it came from... I had to stomp it out of the ground. Well, that took it all gladly. Probably gonna need that other bottle, unfortunately. I'll just fire it up quickly, let it cycle through quickly, and see what that does for it. Okay, let's see what happens to her here.